If your PC feels slower than it should be, this is what I do to every PC I own. Here is 5 simple Windows optimization that doesn't require software or bloatware apps. Let's start. Disabling startup apps. First, clean your startup apps by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. These apps launch every time Windows boots. Right-click anything you don't need immediately and disable it. Optimizing your drive. Next, let's optimize the drive. Open the Start menu and search for defragment and optimize drives. Select your main drive and click Optimize. This keeps your storage efficient, especially if you are using spinning drive and HDD. Clear temporary files. Now we clean temporary files. Press Windows plus R to open run. Type %temp% and press enter. This folder is full of files Windows doesn't need anymore. Press Ctrl plus A to select everything and delete whatever you can. If something refuses to delete, just skip it. Storage cleanup. Finally, do a quick storage cleanup. Open settings, go to system, then storage, run the cleanup and remove the temporary files. It takes a minute and keeps Windows responsive.